Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can enable captions for your video on YouTube as you upload it. So you come here after opening YouTube, then you click on upload video. And certainly in this video, I also will focus on how you can make your video, or as you upload it, more accessible and inclusive, so that even people with any physical impairments can be able to traverse it well. So here you come to select your video that you want to upload. Take this, drag it, and then I drag it there, and then it will begin the process of uploading. So very important, put a title for your video that is really descriptive. Then here in the description area, you have even more space and more character words to do this. So for example, this. You make sure it's very descriptive as much as possible. I want to get the name of the tool properly. Can add it there as well. Okay. Then after, of course, if you have a playlist, you can always add it there to the most appropriate one. And here it's not made for kids. Show more. And here you add tags as well. Come on, rectify this. Okay. In the video language, this is very important. You have to select the language in which this video is recorded, so that it can also be able to automatically generate captions when someone requests for them. Recording date, put it there. So I'll come to see if also select a good thumbnail for the image. And then after, I click on next. So here is where you can add the subtitles. Okay, I click on that. If you have them, you can upload a file of your subtitles from here, or you can choose to type them manually or auto sync. Okay, so depending on what you prefer, this is the area where you can add them, your subtitles or captions for your video. Then after, click on next, and then you click to ensure that your video goes public. Thank you.